We had done a little bit of content around the life of medical students, and we touched upon kind of college life. And anytime we do anything to do with college life, or we did stuff with medical or exam prep, we found a lot of people really took to that because it spoke to them about the experiences that they were going through and the lives they were leading.
So we conceptualized Operation MBBS as a college show that would be relatable to a larger college audience, but extremely authentic to medical students and their real experiences.
I think most college stories are not just about engineers, but हमारे यहाँ पे बहुत तरह के लोग होते हैं, सिर्फ engineer नहीं है. This was different because I think we were really focusing on a community that's been underserved in terms of their stories. The medical community, their stories not being told.
So when Unacademy said, hey, we want to promote NEET course on our platform, it was actually just, you know, the perfect sort of marriage of what we wanted to do and what they wanted to do.
So we came up with a very brief kind of concept. Went to them, had a few iterations, and they said, okay, we want a simple story of the first year of MBBS with 3 characters. So from there, we built it.
So DICE approached me with this idea. They wanted a writer who is also a doctor.
Bow down.
तो मैंने कैरेक्टर्स डेवलप किए और एक बेसिक थिन स्टोरी लाइन डेवलप की और उसके बाद शो ग्रीनलिट हो गया और फिर मेरे बहुत ही टैलेंटेड फेलो राइटर्स ऑन बोर्ड आए. पुनीत बत्रा एंड सुप्रीमली टैलेंटेड आयशा नायर.
भगवान उनको लंबी उम्र दे. डॉक्टर प्रवीण यादव. तो उन्होंने तो डॉक्टरी झाड़ी है पूरे शो में, मैंने थोड़ी इंजीनियरिंग झाड़ी है. She was the one to balance. के पास ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है, ये ज़्यादा हो रहा है.
So if you look at how the writing room was structured, right? We knew Praveen would bring in the medical expertise. He has that background. Puneet has written some very interesting stuff in the past, and so we knew he could write drama really well. And Aisha, who's worked with us on so many shows so far, she knew the DICE audience very well. She understood the pulse of that viewer on YouTube. So we knew that having her there, you would never get anything that's so far out of the ordinary that you're taking a completely blind risk. We knew that the other writers would bring drama and the medical authenticity.
I think it was staying true to the medical world, but still making it universal ताकि सबको समझ में आए. It doesn't get too technical. Like you're not alienating the audience who is not medical students, because we're getting a lot of comments from engineering students saying कि मैं engineer हूँ लेकिन ये मेरे साथ भी होता है.
तो लेकिन हम जितना पॉसिबल हमने मेडिकल वर्ल्ड डाला, ये बहुत यूनिक लगता है मुझे. मेडिकल वर्ल्ड इतना देखा नहीं है जनता ने कि उनकी लाइफ कैसी होती है, उनका कॉलेज कैसे होता है.
ये क्या है? सच.
I did a bit of a research of all the applicants for NEET and where they actually belong to in the country. And we decided to take one character from each place and kind of tap into that world.
Most MBBS people come from UP and Maharashtra, correct? So that is why Nishant is from UP, that is why Sakshi is Maharashtrian and Huma is Balance.
आई थिंक इस शो में कोई एक ऐसा सीन नहीं है जो रियल लाइफ से इंस्पायर्ड ना हो. हुमा शेख जो कैरेक्टर है वो बहुत क्लोज है.
What?
फ्रेंड ऑफ माइंड. केसी अच्छा दोस्त है.
मूर्ख बालक.
और इस तरह से प्रोफेसर्स भी निकम हो गए, पाटोले हो गए, सारे देखे सुने कैरेक्टर्स हैं.
There are some bits where you're talking about this professor called Murga, and I think that comes from his. Yeah.
प्रॉक्सी वाला भी सीन मेरे पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस था. मेरे साथ हुआ था. एक फ्रेंड का टॉप करना और दूसरे फ्रेंड का जिससे उम्मीद थी उसका 4th आ जाना और आपस में बसर.
Correct.
एम्ब्रियोलॉजी की बुक हो गई, लाइक डाइसेक्शन हो गया, डेड बॉडी हो गया, वेंकट हो गया. ये सब मेडिकल का है. एट द सेम टाइम कॉलेज ड्रामा, कॉलेज लाइफ में जो होता है वो भी हमने रखने की कोशिश की.
So for me the most important part was to create a show for DICE which is not like DICE shows. I have to bring something which is new for them.
वापस बताइए से ले लेंगे. एक्शन.
बताइए.
अबे बोलना, मुंह में ले रखा है क्या?
भैया
Actually हाँ, mostly college shows में जो problem मुझे लगती थी वो ये होता था कि it's a college show but those college show are more about the interpersonal relation of the character, not about the subject, yeah, not about that college. So I wanted to cast fresh faces जिनसे लोग उनके कैरेक्टर से रिलेट करें, ना कि उनके नाम से. तो ये somehow कुछ ऐसा हुआ है कि जो कैरेक्टर एग्जैक्टली लिखा हुआ है वही उसी तरह का इंसान या उसी तरह का एक्टर हमें मिल गया, लकीली.
So
Huma's character is of this urban girl, topper of the class. Like, she has to study all year round. But that takes a lot of discipline, and you don't have a life of your own. Your life is just about your books and doing well.
जिस दिन सारा ने ऑडिशन दिया था, I think I was very clear कि हाँ, सारा is very close to Huma. There were other girls also, but I was really confident कि हाँ, सारा will be very nice for this role.
We worked with Sara before in Not Fit. So we knew her from before, and she's been doing so well. She's won a recent Filmfare. She's a great actor. We had to age her down a little bit in terms of asking her for cutting her hair and stuff, obviously, because she's playing a 17-year-old.
So I have a huge monologue which goes on for like 2 pages. My name's Nayu. So, you know, I have to like modulate everything that I'm saying. It has to have meaning. So breaking that down was super important.
साक्षी छोटे सेटअप से आई है, ना कुछ देखा नहीं है उसने आसपास, तो वो जो होता है ना, ऑ में रहती है वो. सो उसके अंदर जो एक आग है ना, अंदर ही अंदर कहीं पे, आई रियली रिलेट टू दैट पर्सनली, एंड शी इज ऑलवेज मतलब रेडी टू लर्न थिंग्स.
Anshul was a bet that has really paid off, I feel. You know, she has been obviously coming in a lot of recent content, but Taj Mahal had not released by that time.
People get surprised now when they hear that Anshul is not actually Maharashtrian. So that shows you the quality of the acting also.
तो आई एम टॉकिंग टू अ लॉट ऑफ माय मराठी फ्रेंड्स. उनकी जो वो है डायलेक्ट होता है, वो कैच करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. मेरे को मराठी के काफ़ी सेंटेंसेस आ गए, मैं सरप्राइजिंगली समझने लग गई हूँ. तो ये चीज़ बहुत बढ़िया हुई. मुंबई में रह के अगर मराठी आ गई, there's nothing better.
My character's name is Nishant, whose dad is a doctor, and once your dad is a doctor, then you also have to become a doctor. Very playful, very naughty, but in a good way. Well, and he's a storyteller. Even if I have to tell you that I had vada pav, I would tell you, आज कैंटीन में हमने vada pav खाया, वो इतना अच्छा था, तुम खा ही नहीं सकते.
So आयुष पॉपुलर है और आयुष PFA में है और फिल्टर कॉपी के बहुत सारे वीडियोस में था.
With Ayush headlining the show, there's already a sense of excitement that yes, there will be, you know, known product in terms of the acting.
And I had a certain image about Ayush in my mind कि यार आयुष नहीं.
Because everyone's also seen me in a very urban and very Bombay, Delhi kind of a vibe always, which I'm comfortable at. But getting the whole UP dialect was a little challenging and tough.
तुम दोनों का एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम हो गया क्या? ऐसा लग रहा है बर्फी के अंदर गीत आ गई.
So I remember auditioning for this and failing in round 1. And I was like, let's just figure out the emotion. And then started the process of language learning, which was obviously Amrit Bhai was helping me with it. And his brother Vaibhav, who has to be mentioned because I used to spend like 6 hours with him talking in that dialect.
I think after a few days he retested. And then when I saw that audition, I saw the change. So वो ऑडिशन बहुत अच्छा था उसका. तो मेरी इमेज आयुष को लेके जो इमेज थी वो ब्रेक हुई एंड उसने बहुत अच्छा किया था.
नहीं लेकिन तूने क्या किया और तेज बोल. क्यों सॉरी क्यों?
कितना बोले यार.
सॉरी क्यों बोल रहे थे?
हम क्योंकि हमने बॉडी पाटोले गिरा दिए इन पे और हमने उन पे रैगिंग करवा दी और अब हमारी रैगिंग हो रही है.
Since I had to look like a 20-year-old and 20-year-olds are not like, they don't have bicep bulge and stuff like that. I had to lose 5 to 7 kilos of weight, which was very difficult because the last 1 year I tried to put on 5 to 7 kilos of muscle. I had to pay the same trainer to make me lose that.
केतन चोटाई 4 साल से एक ही क्लास में पढ़ा हुआ है और 4 साल से फेल हो रहा है. पढ़ाई को छोड़ के बाकी सब चीज़ों के बारे में सोचता है. इसने बहुत सारे ऐसे हरकतें की है कि कभी छत पे चढ़ गया कूदने के लिए, कभी डीन से फाइट कर ली, लेकिन बस ये बेचारा पास नहीं हो पा रहा.
Casey actually exists करता है. There's a friend of Praveen who's still studying and he's studying from last 14 years.
रियल केसी का नाम थोड़ा रिवील होना चाहिए. You should ask प्रवीण. हमारा केसी जो है वो 4 साल फेल हुआ है. रियल केसी शायद और महान है.
जो Weber's test वाला जो सीन है जिसमें वो Casey hits the teacher, that is also real life. That is also happened.
Akash's character was an important one because he's the brand ambassador along with Sakshi. And we wanted someone young and endearing looking again. And so I think Deepak fit the bill pretty well. And I think he's done a good job in the series as well.
काय? एकच नंबर.
I think the one other thing that stood out in this series for me is how we shot it, right? It was a far grander kind of looking show because you have to do justice to a college setting. If you're shooting very, tight shots in a college, it's like 2 characters, 3 characters, there's no breathing room for the audience, right? So I think there's a lot of things that we thought about here, which, you'd expect somebody who's making, 10, 15 web series over the last couple of years, you should start thinking about these things.
We realized that the vision for this world should be very authentic, otherwise everything will fall down. Like if we don't show the world and if we stick only to the characters, that's okay, this is a character-based show. No, the setting here is equally important. Color schemes, for example, like I consciously avoided using blue in the entire series just because the script demanded that absence of a mood that blue usually lends to the script.
Sound roll करके clap ले लो ना तब तक. Sound roll कर लो.
When it was a real medical college, that is something we should explore. We spent a lot of time exploring the location bit of it because we understood that location is one very, very important aspect of this project.
Check. 1 day to go.
I have to conduct HOD meetings every day after shoot, which I think is a very good practice to have कि सबको debrief मिलता है कि क्या-क्या गलत गया है set पे. So we make sure that doesn't happen again. काफ़ी intense होता है ये meeting मेरे लिए because सब सोचते हैं मैं डांटने के लिए आया हूँ, but वो मेरा agenda नहीं है.
That ये day की night.
The shoot was divided into 2 parts. We had one schedule in Bombay on Mira Road, where we shot all the hostel scenes, all the tandoor scenes. Once we moved to the Pune schedule, it was much more easier because we chose an actual medical college. We got permissions to shoot like in the proper locations and didn't cheat anything.
सुबह 4:30 बजे से आए हम. हमारे production देखो, you should capture him.
Yeah.
Whole production working very hard on set.
For the university that we shot in, it's a beautiful campus. We took a lot of, drone shots to establish the place. So all the actual live locations lent a big authenticity to the script.
बड़ा सीन होने वाला है, लेकिन उसके होने से पहले एक दुर्घटना हो गई. हमारा ड्रोन जो है टकरा के दुर्घटनावश नीचे गिर गया. तो अभी हम लोग खड़े होकर चाय पी रहे हैं.
As a narrator, I had to decide the pace of the show. It should be fun, breezy. At the same point in time, I have to give enough spaces there for audience to connect to the characters emotionally, which was a very challenging part at times. But I always have it back in my mind that I have to achieve that emotional connect with the audience.
We're often used to kind of being comfortable in our own universe of crew as well as cast. I think for this one, we pushed the envelope a little bit. We'd been wanting to work with Amrit and, he'd been wanting to work with us for a while, and we did feel that he can bring the grandness that we need in terms of production value to show in the show, and he can also extract emotion.
I know him from a really long time. So I was super excited that finally we got to work together. And I knew he would do a great job as well.
Rap shorter, no sound. Rolling. Ready? Rolling.
His visual humor is very good. He understands where to pick off a joke, where to land a joke, how to direct actors. Even in the punch-ups, he had very good suggestions for dialogues.
The timing worked out in such a manner that we could pair Pat and Amrit. So we knew that the visual quality we were going to get was going to be very, superior. And Amrit's sensibility would then be something that we would have to bet on, which we knew from seeing his past work that we could take that bet.
This season 1 would establish all characters, establish their desire. And the central question behind this season was, why does someone get into MBBS? What is their motivation? So when in the finale, we explored the idea of someone possibly dying in front of you and you having the skills to do something about it. It's very human, right? The survival instinct kicks in and you either save that person or you don't. It's fight or flight.
And giving a CPR is really draining. We were doing it at 2:30 in the afternoon and you have to put a lot of your force on the ribs, and obviously he was tied up with a cushion pad so that once you give it, his ribs don't actually crack.
And in that moment when you, with your bare hands, manage to save someone's life, then everything becomes full circle. Everything I was studying was for this. It wasn't just for money. It was by the end of it for this. It was to save a life.
When you save a life, that's the biggest high a doctor can get. Rest of the things don't matter. उनकी लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स चल रही थी, साक्षी की लाइफ में आकाश के फादर के साथ, या हुमा का जो एम्स का पूरा एंगल था, या लिटमन का जो चीटिंग वाला एंगल था, दैट बिकम्स सेकेंडरी. वो बहुत छोटी प्रॉब्लम्स लगती हैं उसके सामने. So when they save that life, they all of them realize that this is what we are here for. This is what we are going to do for the rest of our lives. So I think that is the main message we wanted to tell in the season 1. So yeah.
I had a lot of confidence in the team, but most importantly, the writing and the creative development was done with a lot of effort. And then once that is done, it's like, if you're chasing a big total, you have to have a good opening stand. So once your opening stand is good, then we knew we had the batting in the lower order to win.
People that have gone through it should look at it and feel like that was a good time. We really enjoyed our time there. People who are going through it should be like, oh my God, this really captures my life today. So people who are in school and are about to make a decision to go to medical school should be very excited about the thought of it. So if you get that bit right, then the show is, it's going to please a lot of consumers.
What do you have to say about this beautiful show you've written?
Yeah, it's coming out very nicely, and it's very close to my heart.
Yeah? Why so?
Aren't we close? Only the show.
Why so? Why very close?
Because the characters in this are, very close to my heart in real life.
Operation MBBS, schedule rap for Ayush Mehra. कितना बुरा coordinated.
Over 100 people in the DICE Media team and the Unacademy team have worked really hard to make this happen. So a big shout out to all of them, and we owe the success of the series to them. We can't wait to bring season 2 to you very soon.